Hi everyone, my name is Hannah from Crafted in the Valley, and today we're going to be doing a little project with TeckWrap Crafts hollow sticker paper. I've got these really nice designs that I really want to try printing out on here, cutting them, and then to put on some can glasses for a bridal party. Let's go! Let's open up the TeckWrap hollow sticker paper and take a bit of a look. I've used some of the TeckWrap sticker paper in the past, but it's just been the normal white sticker paper with a hollow laminate film over the top, whereas this is actually the holographic sticker paper itself, which is really cool. And it is just so amazing. I can't believe how well it catches the light and creates that rainbow effect, especially when you put a whole bunch of sheets together like this and put it up against the window. So you've got the glossy side on the top with the hollow, which is the side you print on, and then of course you've got the back side, which is the matte side. So for this project as well, I'm going to be using one of my Libby can glasses that I use mostly for vinyls, but I thought it would be a really nice idea to use a sticker instead for something a little bit different. But I do need to figure out exactly what size sticker I'm going to use on my can glass, so it's not going to look too big or be too wide and warp around the glass. So I think I've got my size all sorted now, and this is the design that I found on Cricut Design Space. I think it's just something a little bit different and kind of cool with Halloween coming up, or if you're into this kind of thing. But it is a cut design, so it is see-through, as you can see here. And then when I've put a rectangle behind it, you can see the color all the way through. So I do need to just put a rectangle behind the actual design there, and then flatten it together so that it cuts around my design and not into each individual piece, which I have made that mistake before, and it is such a headache. So I just want the rectangle cut around the whole design here. So I'm just going to quickly muck around with some of the different colors here till I'm happy with the color choices for the final product. So because of the hollow sticker paper having a silvery sheen, I decided to choose sort of like a light grey colour behind the design for printing, because I think that'll just complement the silvery tone of the hollow paper. But I decided to, change the blue of the border to a little bit darker, the yellow as well for the rings and the moons, a little bit darker as well, just to make sure it stands out against the hollow paper, because I've not printed on it before. So I'm interested to see how the colours sort of come through on that hollow paper there. And then once I was happy with the color choices for the actual image, I needed to make sure all three of the images had a backing ready for cut. And then last minute, I decided to go in and just make that background color a little bit lighter again to complement that hollow silver. Then once I was happy with it all, I just needed to flatten all three of the images ready for cutting so that it all stayed together. And then I can go through to my print then cut screen in Cricut Design Space and get that all ready for printing and cutting. And I'm using my Epson EcoTank printer, but any printer will do to print on this sticker paper. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think I might have even opted to make the background, you could even do darker, but I think even lighter again, or even make the colors of the image even darker. But I really like how it turned out. Now I need to put my sticker paper onto my cutting mat, ready for cutting in my Cricut Maker 3. Now generally when I would do stickers, I would actually put a laminate film over the top as well prior to cutting, but I decided not to this time around. I just wanted to see how it would go without a laminate sheet with cutting, and especially because it's already hollow, and I think it would still be okay. So I got those cut in my Cricut Maker 3, and then I decided to peel my mat backwards off of the sticker paper instead of just peeling the paper right off. Just it helps to avoid crinkling the paper and then the stickers, which obviously you don't want to damage all the work that you've done. Now I can peel one of them off, and it peels so easily. It looks so nice, and it was actually a really nice consistency, the sticker paper, not too thin, but not super duper thick either, which I really liked. It made for easy peeling, easy application onto my glass, and I did use a matte glass this time around, but anything would do, and I'm really happy how it looks. So I'm going to get the other stickers off of my paper now as well and do my other 2 glasses, so I've got them all done as a set. And I think if you were to do some stickers along this line as a bit of a decal, especially if you're doing sort of DIY wedding, which is kind of the theme I went with today, you could do any sort of party theme, something like that. You can design the stickers specifically for your needs and not have to worry about individual cuts. But something that I really liked about this sticker paper as well is with this next one that I've got coming up to put on the glass, I wasn't happy with the initial placement of it when I initially went to put it on, and it very easily lifted back off and it didn't crinkle the sticker paper too much. And afterwards I actually attempted to take one off and it came off quite easily as well. So you could even do this as a temporary DIY or a permanent, which really opens up the opportunities as to how you use your sticker paper. So I'm really happy with how this project worked out. I would definitely do this again, especially if you've got a theme of some sort coming up. The TeckWrap hollow sticker paper is definitely a big 10 out of 10 from me, especially if you like designing your own stickers and decals. Stay tuned for more projects using the hollow sticker paper. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.